A Call to the Wild, an annual affair igniting people's awareness to the value of trees and the forest.
This is a hike.
Forest Trekking 2012 had its second successful staging. 600 resolute men and women committing to preserve and protect. Starting at sunrise, they began a journey up the majestic Blue Mountains. The goal? Replanting 600 trees in the wetland forest 5,000 feet above sea level. Motive? Supporting the Forestry Department's efforts to preserve forested areas, which indeed help to sustain our lives. It's a physical fitness exercise as well. A 12-kilometer trek from St. Peter's to the Cinchona Botanical Gardens, testing hikers' strength and endurance. But certainly an invigorating experience of nature's thrilling beauty. Among the lush greenery and amazing blues lies Cinchona's age-old edifice, shingled roofs and wooden lattice walls, picturesque but dysfunctional and in weight of repair. No doubt an artisan's dream.
This is close to heaven.
The atmosphere is just awesome.
The main aim behind the trek is just to get more Jamaicans aware about our forest. So we feel that you bring them up here, they can literally breathe it and feel the need to protect it. And I think we're achieving that.
Persons who are ready to plant, just follow the trail. You will find a forester around there who will assist with the planting.
Approximately 0.1% of our forests are lost annually. That's too much in numbers, and therefore it's important to replant.
We really are doing a lot in terms of destroying all the natural forest reserves and the rivers, and so we need to do our part.
It's no easy task, one requiring the input of every sector of society. Fittingly, the theme for Forest Trek says it appropriately. Do your part, let's replant.
I'm glad I played a part.
Well, I think it's awesome that the Forest Department has organized the whole trip and, planting trees in this area.
I was excited to make the journey up, and I was also excited to get my hands dirty and to do my part. And I planted 2 trees, 2 silky oaks, and it was a great feeling.
I would actually do it again.
There's true peace and tranquility to be found in the wild, and those who make the trek to the Blue Mountains are sure to find that irresistibly perfect spot to relax and rejuvenate. But beyond that, one message must be clear. Trees and the forest have great value, and beyond its economic use, our forest plays the role of protecting and conserving our soil, air quality, primary water source, and biological diversity. Forest conservation and protection requires partnership. NGOs, the private sector, communities, everyone can help. It's our responsibility.
Right now we have a project funded by the European Union. It's our climate change adaptation project, and we're planting up in this area where you are. So you see all along the sides that you pass, we're planting 300 hectares.
For successive generations, let's do our part. Let's replant. Support the sustainable management, conservation, and development of Jamaica's forests. It's everybody's business. For more information, contact the Forestry Department, 173 Constant Spring Road, Kingston 8. Telephone number 924-2667-8.